Hi, I'm Dominic Izzo, and I am the Bull of MLM, and welcome to my channel. My channel is a no bullshit network marketing / MLM channel that's designed to help you build your business with integrity. So I'm going to give you the top 3 things that you're going to need to do to take into your business to improve it, to grow it, to scale it, to wind up duplicating it. These are the top 3 things that you need to 100% fucking do. Number 1, you need to research the living shit out of this industry. Do you know what network marketing is? When people say, what's MLM? Do you know how to define that? What is multi-level marketing? Is it affiliate marketing? Is it direct sales? Is this a pyramid scam? When you wind up being able to answer, when you have the answer to somebody who says, oh, I did one of those pyramid scams, and you fumble all over it and you can't respond to them, that's when you start to create the self-doubt in your mind and go, oh man, maybe I am in the pyramid scam. But when somebody says, I've done one of those pyramid scams, and you say, hey, I appreciate that. I used to think that too, because you've researched in your mind now and you know the industry, but I do know the definition and the difference between a pyramid scam and network marketing. Let me explain to you why network marketing is not a pyramid scam and why pyramid scams are illegal and what they are. When the more you're educated, the more professional you'll be, the more you'll believe in the industry, the more you'll grow. It's as simple as that. But more so, the more you'll pour into others the right way. All right, the second thing that you need to do is you need to define your why. And everybody says that. Come up with your why. If your why is to get a yacht or a Bentley or I don't know, $1 million home or wherever, that's not good enough. Your why has to come from one of 3 areas. And we teach those as the 3 C's. That's either from cash flow, commerce, or culture. And here's the thing. Those 3 C's, right? Cash flow, how you make your money. Commerce, that's your product or your service. Culture, that's the people that you're going to be dealing with both on your team, your prospects, yourself, and everything else. Those 3 things are the most important thing. And the reason why we have 3 instead of 1 is because it's offering value, right? Whenever you're in network marketing, you're going to see that most people concentrate on the commerce, right? The product or service. So when their product or service does not hold value for everybody they come across, you're losing a certain percentage of your audience in your market, right? 50% of the people. No, I really don't want that product. 20% of the people, 70% of the people. But if you talk to somebody and you present value in 3 C's, oh, you're not interested in our product? Well, hopefully it'll grow grow with you over time. But what are your thoughts on making more money or becoming part of a culture? Well, let me hear more about what you have. You are giving them more value to make a better and informed decision about doing business with you. And lastly, when you define what your why is through one of those 3 C's, you're going to be more genuine. You're going to go, yeah, maybe I'm not really into this product, but I do like the product, but I love the money. Or maybe it's like, yeah, I like the money, but I really want to help people develop their skill sets on speaking better, growing their social media better, teaching people better. One of those 3 C's is always going to be present in the relevancy of your season, right? Sometimes it's going to be, yeah, I'm all about cash flow. Sometimes it's going to be all about culture and helping others. And sometimes it's going to be about your commerce, your product, or your service. So your why is going to change. It's going to evolve. So if you got in the business and you said, yeah, I want to help my family out with the bills, that's your why. That's not a good enough why. Find out what your why is and then see it's going to evolve over time. You're going to 1 year, 1 season, it's going to be, I love the money. Another season, it's going to be, I can't believe how much I'm growing because I'm helping other people in this culture. And another season is going to be the C where you love your product and they're always going to ebb and flow and have a great evolution with your growth and your development with your business. All right, the last and the most important thing that you need to do to wind up scaling, building, growing, leading, prospecting, duplicating, all that is to have fucking integrity. I cannot tell you this. Your integrity comes from being absolutely authentic. 100%. You need to be as authentic as possible. If you're prospecting somebody and you don't have an answer and you lie, get out of my industry. If you manipulate, get out of my industry. If you make these false income claims, they're going to be millionaires in their first 6 months. Let me know where you are so I could pay you a personal visit. It is so important that integrity is everything in this industry. If you don't have it, you're done. If you don't have an answer, right? Hey, Joe, I want to talk to you about a business I'm with today. And I can't answer your question. Don't fake it. Don't fake it. If Joe says, hey, what's the annual income for blah, 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 and you go, oh, I think it's, hey, Joe, I don't have that answer, man. That's a great question. I really am. You stumped me. Would you give me some time to find a definitive answer for you? If you're nervous, what is wrong with saying, hey, Joe, listen, I'm going to pitch you. I'm scared shitless. Would you give me 5 minutes to wind up trying to fumble through a presentation? I don't know how I'm going to do this. I'm brand new at this company. I'm terrified. Can I just use you as a training tool? The more you present yourself as the human being, the more you're going to relate. Far too many of you are trying to go out there and impress people with shit you just don't know. You're going in and saying, oh, dude, we're going to make so much money. Let's go get that money together. Do you even know how to fucking get the money in the first place? If you don't, why are you doing this? Why are you presenting it that way? You have to be unbelievably authentic and genuine. So what you're going to do is you're going to wind up telling them the truth. And it's not that hard. Hey, you're still doing your little pyramid scam? How much money are you making? Are you a millionaire yet? No, I'm not. I've been doing it for 3 years. It's a struggle, but I'm learning. I'm growing. I've set myself with realistic goals. I make about a car payment a month now, or I make my mortgage payment a month now, or you know what? I'm making some pretty decent money, or I haven't made money the last 3 months. What is wrong with telling the truth? The more you normalize how this industry goes, the more that you will attract the right people. And you're not going to get people who jump in, do it for 2 weeks, and then say, hey, it's a scam. I didn't make $1 million yet, and then leave. There's no difference between this and brick and mortar businesses without the brick and mortar. Meaning, yes, you're going to pay to get in. I don't know. I owned a gym. I've been involved with other businesses. I've never not had to invest to get in the first place. You're going to be in the red. You're going to be in the black. You're going to lose money. You're going to pay the business before you pay yourself. All of these things that happen in the real world still happen in network marketing. So as long as you have integrity, your business is going to wind up thriving. You have to have that. Be real, because don't forget, at the end of the day, people they're buying you as much as they're buying into your company. All right, those are the top 3 things that you're going to need for your network marketing business to be successful. And again, you're going to define what successful is, right? Is that recruiting 2 people and the 3 of you cultivate together? Is that making $1 million a year? Is that bringing in a car payment? Is that selling more than anybody else did in your company? Is that selling a package a week? The problem is with the network marketing industry is the definition of success has always been in that $1 million, because people have just lied to other people and said, hey, you're going to be a millionaire with your next 6 months. And that's what generates all the anti-MLM and the quitters out there. Is we haven't had a reasonable expectation for what success is, and only you could define that. So did you wind up improving your public speaking skills? Did you wind up connecting with others better? Is the product changing your life? Do you like teaching about the product? Do you like teaching how money is made? Are you making tank of gas a week? So it's going to be up to you to define. So you figure out what your success is, and then you base it off that. But those 3 top things are always going to be the same. Learn the industry inside and out. Go everything. You need to total immersion, saturate yourself, learn the industry, and then discover your why. Know why you're doing this and let it evolve over time. And lastly, integrity. Don't you dare ever lie about anything. Be as authentic as possible. Grow, develop more, pour yourself into more other people, and just be integrity. Integrity is everything. Hope you guys had value for this. Click that like button, share this video, comment below. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video and helping you grow your business.